Merry Christmas to all and hope you had a fun weekend with your near and dear ones. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. In the international market, on account of Christmas, US and European markets were closed last Friday. On Thursday, with Brexit hope, US 10-year had closed 3 basis points up at 0.96 percentage points and 30-year 5 basis points up at 1.70 percentage points. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $51.29 per barrel. Market seems to be range bound. Crude's short-term range seems to be $50 to $52 per barrel. With a short-term view, we are bullish on crude with a $60 target in 4 months. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 19.22. DXY's today's range seems to be 89.91 to 90.64. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 654, same level for almost a month now. USD INR with a high of 73.66 closed at 73.55 on Thursday. USD INR's range for today seems to be 73.40 to 73.75. As we had mentioned on Thursday's podcast, 73.70 turned out to be a strong resistance and USD INR reversed from 73.66 high. In the domestic market, we at Night Research had anticipated a dull Thursday as market participants were out for long weekend, but RBI was active. After a long time, others bought rupees 1,865 crore, and as usual we suspect RBI buying via others category and supporting yields. 522 GS 2025 with a high yield of 509 closed at 506. 577 2030 with a high yield of 5.97 closed at 5.93 percentage points. Remember, we had been giving a short-term range of 592 to 598. It seems someone, quote RBI, has made sure the 10-year benchmark does not touch and breach 598, where a lot of stop losses may get triggered. 24th December 2020, let's try to do GSEC auction analysis. 585 GS 2030, RBI did not accept any bids. 515 GS 2025, cutoff came at 99.95 or 5.16 percentage points. For 515 GS 2025, we had given our range of 99.94 to 96 and cutoff came at 99.95. Our clients made 12 paisa or approx 60,000 rupees per lot in this trade on Thursday. Let's decode RBI's strong signal. Number 1, by not accepting any bids for 588 GS 2030, RBI made a strong statement saying the yields are too high and will do whatever it takes. And number 2, RBI immediately announced Operation Twist for rupees 10,000 crore in 717 2018, 579 2030 and 619 2034. As these all papers are liquid and due to RBI's inaction this month in OMOs, yields had risen 4 to 7 basis points. Giving an OMO in this counter, RBI has again sent a very strong message to bring the yields down. We expect the positivity to continue this week as well and favorable markets. The markets are in a very tight range and Union Budget will be a catalyst to move the market. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.